back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title, this is my part 1 of my Decorate With Me series. So we're going to be doing 2 parts. I was actually going to do 1 video. I wasn't even going to put this in 2 parts, but I figured it was going to be too long, so I decided to split it up into 2. And so in this video, what you're going to see is the shopping portion of my Decorate With Me. And I wanted to buy a few new like Christmas pieces for my Christmas decor collection because I've had the same Christmas decor for years and there's absolutely nothing wrong with it, but I just definitely needed to upgrade it. Plus I kind of wanted to go for like the winter wonderland theme, so lots of whites and golds and silvers. And to do this, I needed to pick up a few more items. And so in this video, you're gonna see me shop around. We go to Goodwill, we go to Maxx and Ross. We're gonna go shopping together and I'm gonna show you guys the things that I found, things that I was looking for, and all that good stuff. And then tomorrow, we're gonna do the part 2, and you guys are gonna see me actually decorate my place with all the items that I picked up and some of my items that I had, you know, in storage and stuff like that. So I hope you guys like the fact that there's 2 videos in 1. So anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow in my decorating portion, and I will talk to you guys soon. Alright, so first we stopped at Goodwill and I was just kind of looking for some fun little decor. This was the only thing I actually found there, this adorable Christmas tree tray. I don't know what I'm going to put in it, but I thought it was so cute that I ended up picking it up. I also found this little package of Christmas ornaments, and you can actually find a lot of Christmas tree ornaments at Goodwill, at least mine. And I almost bought these, and I kind of wish I did because I needed more Christmas ornaments when I went and did my decor. And then I went to Grocery Outlet and I found these wreaths, and these were only like $7 each, and I needed 2 small matching wreaths for an area in my house, and so I picked these up because I thought they'd work really well. They actually didn't really work that well for it, and I used them for something else, which I'll show you guys in my Decorate With Me, but yeah, I didn't use them for what I was planning on using them for. So another thing I wanted to pick up was a couple pillows, and I was kind of debating on wanting to do like gold and white or silver and white. So you're gonna see me actually almost buy 2 gold pillows, which they look really cute together, and it would have looked really cute if I would have bought them. But I actually changed my mind last minute and went with silver and gold. But there were so many cute pillows, you guys. Pillows are one of like my weaknesses. I love buying pillows so much, and they had so many amazing ones. I saw this Let It Snow pillow, almost bought it with this deer pillow. I thought that would be so cute together, but I ended up not going that route. I saw this Merry Christmas pillow, white and silver, and I ended up buying that one with another one, which I'll show you guys later. And then I was on the hunt for a red candle that smelled really good, and I actually couldn't find a red candle that smelled good at Maxx or Ross, which was really frustrating because I had so many candles, but I didn't like the smell of any of them. So another thing I was on the hunt for was white Christmas trees for my coffee table, and you guys don't know how hard it was for me to find white, like just Christmas trees. It was crazy. And then I saw this. I thought that was adorable. I really almost bought that. I thought it'd be so cute on the front door, but I didn't end up buying it. And then I saw this amazing Noel sign. This is at Ross. I almost bought this, you guys, but the only reason I didn't was because it was so heavy. I knew I wouldn't be able to hang it up. It would just like fall out of the wall, but I thought maybe like laying it up against the wall or up against the fireplace would be really cute. I was also on this hunt for like a deer. I wanted to add a little like silver deer to my coffee table scape. So that's also something I was on the hunt for as well. So you'll see me kind of looking at those too. But let me tell you guys, I saw so many gold and silver Christmas trees, but I didn't see like any white ones, which was super irritating. I feel like I saw so many of them like in past years, and then when I was actually looking for them, I couldn't find them anywhere. But they had a lot of pretty ones. It just wasn't what I was looking for, and it was just so frustrating. I even kind of thought about going the star route instead of Christmas trees. I don't know. I was having a hard time. But then I saw this. This was so cute to me. I absolutely loved the proportions. It's exactly what I was looking for. I wanted a little silver deer, like a reindeer, and that's exactly what I wanted. So I picked him up. And I saw these adorable like wood wicker trees, and I almost bought these. They would have looked so cute with kind of my whole theme that I had going on. And I didn't buy them, and I kind of regret not buying them, but I ended up buying a couple that looked similar to that later on. So yeah, that's pretty much all I found at Ross. I saw this cute candle holder, thought that was beautiful. And then I headed to TJ Maxx, and they had so much stuff, and I saw a ton of Christmas trees, and this kind of inspired me to maybe buy the girls' Christmas trees for their bedrooms maybe next year, or get like some small Christmas trees for upstairs. I think that would be really cute as well, but they had so many fun little Christmas trees. And then I saw a table full of reindeer, and I was like, oh no, because I was like, are these going to be cuter than the one I already bought? But I actually liked the original one that I picked up better than these ones, so I was lucky there. But all of them were really cute. I just preferred my other one, which was good. And then, you guys will never believe what I found. White Christmas trees. Yes, I was so excited. But they didn't have a big one and a small one that matched. That's really what I wanted, was a tall one and a short one. And they didn't have a tall one and a short one in this style Christmas tree. And so I was so sad about that. So I actually didn't end up picking it up. I almost did because I was desperate, but I didn't. I held back. And I was like, Carah, you will find one. Maybe you'll find one online or something like that. But I decided not to go with those ones. So that is pretty much all I found at TJ Maxx, I believe. Oh yes, I saw this table of Christmas trees, and I was like, there has to be one. There has to be a Christmas tree on this table. But there wasn't. There's a few white ones. They just weren't like the double Christmas trees, you know, the big and the small. So I had to pass up on those, which was too bad. And then I found these wreaths. And remember how earlier I was saying I needed 2 small wreaths that matched? Well, I found these, and these were exactly what I was looking for. So I actually ended up picking up these and used these instead of those grocery outlet ones. But I ended up using the grocery outlet wreaths for something else. I just like DIY'd a project with them, so it actually worked out good anyways. And I just kind of kept browsing along. So many Christmas things at TJ Maxx, it was insane. But I didn't have any luck with the Christmas trees. So I also found this cute kind of silvery rustic Christmas tree, and one thing that you guys have to know about me is I'm horrible with like sticking to a theme. Like I have the hardest time sticking to a theme. Halfway through like buying things for one theme, I'll like switch ideas and go to a different theme, but I feel like I did pretty good at kind of sticking to my Winter Wonderland theme. So yeah, so then I went to Hobby Lobby and I saw this whole Winter Wonderland scape that they had, and I was like, oh my god, this is it. This is where I'm gonna find my white Christmas trees. But they had a lot of silver. They had a few white ones. They had these fuzzy ones, not my style. But they had mostly just silver, and I was like giving up at this point. I was like, I'm not gonna find them. So that's when I decided, maybe a star. Should I do a star? I don't know. But I said, no, Carah, you can do it. You can find your white Christmas trees. But I didn't have luck at Hobby Lobby. In fact, I don't think I bought anything at Hobby Lobby, which kind of amazes me because Hobby Lobby has everything. But they had a lot of really cool stuff, guys. If you are in the market for some Christmas stuff, go there. There's a lot of really pretty things there. I almost bought like a garland, but I didn't. So tomorrow I'm going to be doing my decorate with me, so you guys can watch me decorate my house. And you guys can also see if I ended up finding some white Christmas trees. So stay tuned, and I will see you guys tomorrow.